Hello guys, welcome to the part 2. Now, since it's Sunday, I managed to meet up in town with the seller I was telling you about in my first video. So after the one of the modules was damaged during the shipment or whatever the seller did, I managed to find another XMS3 stick, and I inserted right here. So it's basically the third slot right here, and it is a little different because the serial do not corresponded exactly like the one you saw right here. So anyway, so now let's focus on the computer and see what kind of problem it's doing. Of course, it's best when you insert the memory modules to try cleaning the contacts very nicely. So for me, I'm using the rubber razor. All you have to do is just clean the contact of the memory. So this is what I did. So I already did that before making the video, and inserted properly the sticks inside the motherboard, of course. So anyway, let's turn the computer on and see. So this is the sound that I was telling you about, and of course it's not working because the modules. So all I have to do is switch between the modules right here, and try the other way. I mean the ones that was from the seller, and 4 by 2 gigabyte, the one that is written right here, inserted into the white channel on the sticks of the memory, of course, the slots, pardon, not sticks, and use the other ones, my old ones, into the blue ones. So all you have to do is just making another combination, and probably it will work. Okay, see you in the part 3 of the video when I will show you how the computer works. Thank you for watching once again, guys.